ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎನ್ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದು ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ ನೋಡ್ದಿರ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ನನಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಐ ಕಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಯು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ whom I met here. I will add that video ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬರೀ 2.5 years ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ದೇ ರೀಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ರೀಬಿಲ್ಡ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಿಂಚು ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆನೋವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. 2 floors ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಂಥ ಜಾಗ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್. ಈಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ನನಗೂ ಅವಾಗೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ. ಅದರ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ ಯನ್. ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಇದು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿ ಸಿ ಗೇವ್ ಮೀ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ಮೀ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಐ ಚೆರಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ದಿರ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಐ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I'm happy that I'm blessed with such great friends. Okay, you will see. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Thank you for having me here.
I'm Manvita and I'm studying Information Science and Engineering second year. And I'm Shreya. I'm also studying Information Science and Engineering second year. So regarding the hostels for girls, it's in Jayanagar. It's kind of not in a good condition, but you can live there. Like the food is like up to the mark. And then another hostel is in JB campus, both for boys and girls. It's kind of far from here, but you can take the metro direct. For boys, they have built a new hostel. It is very nice.
Okay.
Even the food is very nice.
Okay, so do you know the price for hostel? Like how much it costs?
28 to 30k. It's
Okay.
per year.
Per year, 28 to 30k. And how far is the Jayanagar? Like you take metro to Jayanagar, and same for JB campus.
Yeah.
So how long will it take?
Jayanagar, it will take around maybe 30 minutes.
Okay.
For Jnanabharati, it will take some time because after getting down in metro, you have to take the bus over there and go inside JB campus. It's kind of big now.
Okay, yeah. And many people prefer to stay in hostel or in PGs or other places.
I prefer to stay in like PG because see, for me like cleanliness and like privacy matters. So in hostels, you know, right, some 10 members they'll put in one, at least for first year they'll put, and for second years they'll give two people in each room.
Okay.
So I prefer PG. So there are like many PGs around here, like Malleshwaram, Srirampura. For girls, it's like very safe. Malleshwaram, Vijayanagara, as for that matter, and yeah, you'll get a lot of PGs around here. As this is the like center of the city, you'll not get PGs around like 4.5 kilometers. After 4.5 kilometers, you'll get.
But it's well connected by metro and everything, so you can just
travel by bus or metro.
Yeah.
If it weren't for metro, I wouldn't have been here today. She is from like Bayapnadi. So the traffic over there is
insane. Yeah, that's true. And how much do you pay for PG?
I pay around. I used to pay around 7,250 for 3 sharing. It's kind of big room. So now I've changed. So I'm paying now like 8.5k per month. So
food and everything included.
And everything is nice. So
okay.
You have to adjust, right? You
yeah,
can't
that's
get
true.
Homemade food.
That's very true. And how is the college timings now?
College 11 to 2. If we have labs, depends on if we have it in morning or afternoon. If we have it in morning, it starts at around 8 according to timetable, but labs open at 9.
Yeah.
And then if it's in the evening, it will get over by 4.
That's
Very
good.
flexible actually.
I know, right? It was the same for me also. 11 to 2:30.
Main attraction was that only. We had
Right?
time to explore our
That's
house.
true.
No, actually, it's very strict. Like they have teachers are coming to class, they're teaching. They're actually dedicated to complete the portions. They complete it, and it's kind of nice also. Like there are like misconceptions, right? UVC, like teachers don't teach.
Yeah,
and that.
they don't come
It's
to
not
class.
like that. Teachers do come to class. Teachers do come to college, and they teach nicely also. They're like PhD holders.
That's
Kind of
true.
teach nicely. But whatever, after coming to engineering college, you have to study extra.
Yeah,
That's true for any college, not only UVC.
absolutely. And so now that you have more time with your hands, what are you guys exploring?
A lot of clubs here.
Yeah,
Clubs,
Yeah, there are a lot of clubs in UVC, right?
yeah.
And apart from academics, we are kind of focusing on web dev, some like DBMS, like it will come in 5th sem, right? And hackathons. We are attending every hackathons.
Great.
Making team.
It's fun.
That's very nice.
This college.
Yeah, and hackathons are conducted by UVC people or outside or
IEEE
everywhere?
By
conducts.
UVC,
GDSC conducted one international level hackathon this
Okay.
year. Bit and Build it was.
Oh wow. So the Google developer.
Yeah.
Okay.
then through TPU we get few hackathon messages from companies too. So
Okay, that's great. And how is the placements now?
It's nice because I think so. Like last year it was affected. I don't know properly due to recession. But teachers are saying that companies are coming. Like placement is good. Like placement, they are striving a lot. Those
I know.
placement cell. So it is coming, but it have like the highest packages may have reduced. Kind of like it's reduced in every college. It's not for our college that happens.
but
Do you know-
the percentage of students getting recruited is
Increasing, I
above 90
think.
only. Above 90. For ISC, CSC, ML, most of them get placed.
Okay. Oh, there's a new branch, right? ML.
Yeah, ML.
Okay, that's good. So many people into computer science.
Yeah.
That
2 years
helps.
back it started.
Hmm.
3 years.
2 years, I guess.
Nihas batch.
Nice. And how's the canteen and everything? Do you guys eat
We
here?
recently got a new Nandini canteen, so now
Wow.
It's kind of nice
Yeah,
because they
we
give like we get everything from burger to
yeah,
from
sandwich, aloo.
Wait, so this is not the one?
this that Nandini you can see
The
right?
same one,
It's okay.
but the people who are handling that, they are different. No?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not handled by Nandini itself. It's
Okay.
just the board that is Nandini.
Okay.
But if you go over there, you will see some enterprise name. I have not seen it, I have not observed that much. But they're giving good.
That's
Now
good.
this canteen is
Nice.
small, but you can sit over here. Right? That's
I know,
fun.
right? It's fun. When I was there was one old canteen near that amphitheater.
Civil court is anyway there.
Civil
code
code,
is there.
huh.
It is very
Yeah.
close by, so.
That's where you go.
Food is not a problem if you have money. have money.
Even if you don't, it's quite cheap. You'll get good food at PWD.
And mainly we
Okay.
depend on like most of them like those who come from PGs and stuff.
Hmm.
If they're like if they don't give good food,
Yeah.
there are friends no. We like sit together, we share food.
Yeah.
That's also another.
And you know what, like you know right from UV, like UV, the people who are coming to UVC, they're kind of like they get selected through merit only,
Yeah.
and most of their background is not that good. So people have some humbleness in their
Yeah.
They have that hunger to come up in life
Yeah.
too.
So you'll get a good competitive mind.
That's true.
You will have a lot of like-minded people here too. It'll be easy to mingle with everybody.
Yeah.
And it's usually what we see in private colleges is that people in CSE will not know people in ISC, but here we end up knowing everybody.
That's
our
true.
seniors,
Whole
juniors,
college.
super seniors.
Yeah.
So,
I think the hackathons and fests help a lot in
yeah,
networking.
it helps a lot. And plus, because this is a student-run college,
Hmm.
everybody get together to conduct something.
Yeah.
There'll be volunteering or
We just don't involve much in that.
yeah. We students are
Yeah, we do it.
Yeah.
But teachers support though. They'll give support.
How is the attendance policy? Is it managed?
Now it's become a little strict
Okay.
after the new director has come.
Okay.
So now we have to be a little mindful about missing classes. But then again, teachers, you can just talk to them in case there are any valid reasons
Yeah.
due to which we are missed.
And what is the highest package last year? Do you guys know?
28, I guess.
Why?
Due to recession, there was a company which had offered
33 lakhs.
yes, but they took it back due to recession or something.
Okay. And what all companies come? Like big names?
Juniper Networks, Deutsche Bank, SAP Labs, SAP
yeah.
Labs, Deutsche Bank. They are the biggest recruit. Like they take a lot of people. Accenture, Infosys, what are the others?
Microsoft also came last.
Really?
Dell comes,
Nice. Microsoft is
Elution
good.
comes,
Hmm.
and
Nice.
Yeah, there are like lot.
IBM
They
comes.
display it actually in notice
Oh,
boards
okay.
whenever that placement thing is going.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Energy Exemplar,
Hmm.
HashiCorp. Yeah,
Nice.
those
Big
are the
names.
only ones I remember.
That's good.
ಸ್ನೇಹನೇ ಈಗೇನಾ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗದೆ ಶುರುನಾ ರೀಸನ್ನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟೇ ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷಯ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟೇ